Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're new here, I am Stephanie. So today I'm going to be unboxing a very coveted item, so I'm super excited. So I was able to find an agenda, pre-loved. It does have a little bit of wear on it, but I was super excited to find it for a fairly good price. So I'm going to show you what I purchased and do a little comparison in terms of something that is very similar in terms of size and inserts, and show you what I picked up. So I ended up getting from a seller, thankfully in Canada, so I didn't have to pay that much for shipping and no import fees, which is always a problem buying luxury, especially abroad. If I were to have purchased from a seller in, say, the US, I would have had to pay import fees because of the price of the item. So it's always good to find an item from a seller in Canada. So here is the Louis Vuitton Agenda MM, and this is in the Damier Ebene, and I love it. So I chose to go with this print because I do have a Neverfull in this print, and I thought that this size would be good to carry on the go if I want to change my cash envelopes, to use it here. So I was able to sort of fix a bit of this edge. As you can see, it does have some wear on the glazing. These are, it is a coated canvas, which I believe is like a woven cotton. So it will start to crack and do all the things, but that's okay, because anytime I feel like you buy something that is pre-loved, that is the whole point, it is pre-loved. So this is what it looks like on the inside. So it is a personal size. I do love that it has, you know, your sort of card slots here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 card slots, and then this other one here. Plus you have your back secretarial pocket, and it has its pen loop, which would be for an average size pen. So I do have a pen that it ordered, and it does have my name on it. So it has Stephanie there, and this will fit in here quite nicely, as you can see. So this is what it is. It has gold hardware. The mechanism is great on it. It doesn't have any gapping, which is always a concern buying, you know, any type of like pre-loved item. So what I'm going to do is show it to you in comparison to what I had just purchased. So here is my Filofax. So my Filofax is in the same size. In terms of comparison, in terms of the rings, I feel like the rings are about the same size. So it's maybe about a 25 millimeter rings that are in here. I did switch out these rings and I changed them to, so these are the original Filofax rings, but as you can see, I ended up changing out this hardware because I wanted to put gold rings in. So you had to pop this out, drill it through, and do all of the DIY. So in terms of size, it is comparable. As you can see, they are pretty much the same size in terms of width-wise and size-wise. And the only thing is this one would be the perfect wallet and carry because it does have like zipper here, but it really isn't very functional in terms of using the zip pocket because it's kind of stiff. As you can see, like back here just has like cardboard, so it is a bit hard to put anything bulky, as it would make the planner, I think, a little too bulky. So that is just a quick comparison in terms of buying something that is pre-loved, and also in terms of if you are looking for the similar size. So the next comparison I'm just going to show you is my, this is also pre-loved, and this is a PM agenda or small ring agenda. And as you can see, as I said, this one is pre-loved as well. And the glazing on this one was great. The price was great. So do I love both of them? I'm sure I will. So as you can see, the brass is starting to wear more on this one. And I did actually change out the rings to some Krause rings. If you are interested in changing out your PM rings to larger ones, then definitely check out that video as well. So I was able to change out these rings. I use this as my cash wallet currently. Maybe in the future I will change this out and, you know, maybe use it for just like a little planner, and then I can use this for my cash envelopes. But for now, this will probably end up becoming my at-home, my finance, and I will switch those items from my Filofax into here. So I just want to show you quickly what it looks like. And I find that too within Canada, it is very hard to find, they're always sold out. Like I've never actually gone on the Louis Vuitton website and seen any of their items in terms of planners, which I always look quite frequently. I haven't seen any of them be actually available for purchase. So Preloved has been the way I have gone for my my agendas. So that is what it is. This is the size difference. So I just wanted to show you guys before I set it up. I may not set it up right away because I'm really am loving my Filofax right now, which is why when I saw this, I still purchased it because it was a good price. So lastly will probably be the GM, which I will probably get at some point, which is could be used as a half letter or an A5, but I'm in no rush because I do have my desk agendas, which I still love using half letter in my desk agenda. So yeah, these are my purchases. As you can see, very good quality and very good conditions. So those are the two that I have now. So let me know what you think. If you have either one of these, do you love it? Is this something that you've bought and sold and didn't quite, fall in love with, or you replaced it with something else? Let me know down in the comments. And then I will see you guys on another video. Bye.